I'm not gonna lie, there are not very many clinicals that impress me, but the clinicals from Freeze Frame had me gagged. So let's chat about it. Not all clinicals are built the same, so I wanted to talk you through what Educated Mess did for this product specifically. So the subjects were only allowed to use a few different products that the brand had provided them during this whole trial. One was the Dove White Marble Complex Bar and a sunscreen. And also they had a 5-day washout period before it all started. But even if the subjects wanted to use like a foundation or concealer during the process, it had to be approved by the testing company, just to make sure there was no anti-aging products in there that would impact the results of the product. They weren't allowed to get any laser or Botox or any other facial treatments, but also subjects were completely excluded if they had done any of those treatments a year leading up to this study. Obviously the before and afters were absolutely insane, but let's talk numbers. What I like so much about this product is the improvement of elasticity. One way you can measure this is by using a cutometer. How it works is that it sucks up your skin into the probe and it measures how far it goes into the probe and how quickly it returns back into its original form. The clinical showed an 18% improvement in elasticity, and this was statistically significant in 85% of the subjects. And to the average consumer, 18% may not seem like a big number, so they did clinical grading where experts verified at the end of the 12-week period that there was a visual change as well. And all this is so fascinating, but it is not cheap to do this, by the way, especially considering they tested it on all skin tones in a wide age range too. Educated Mess, of course, also does consumer perception testing, which is absolutely great. Of course, there's room for bias, but I think it's really good to combine that with the objective clinical results, so now you know the subjects both enjoyed using the products and noticed results. If you're like me, you're gonna use products that are supported by solid evidence, and Freeze Frame is that girl.